Welcome to the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2. The ZR2 is powered by a 3.6 liter V6 engine and made it up to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Colorado ZR2, power windows, locks and mirrors, automatic headlights, your 4x4 dial, integrated to the braking system, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel, 9 kilometers on the truck, brand new. Keyed ignition, a large 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bose audio throughout, single zone climate control, heated seats, traction control. The ZR2 Colorado comes with independent electronic locking differentials, as well as your automatic shifter knob. We have the all black interior, as well as our beautiful leather heated Colorado ZR2 seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Colorado ZR2, we do have the 17-inch wheel and tire package, ZR2 branded only rims with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack all-terrain tires. You can see the Chevy Performance Multimatic DSSV spool dampening sensitive rear suspension on the ZR2 there. You have color matched door handles on the crew cab, chrome Colorado color matched mirror caps up front with the lift kit from the factory as well. Again, the DSSV Multimatic suspension system coming to the front of the Colorado. We have the redesigned front end. We have recovery hooks, skid plates, as well as our Chevrolet branded ZR2 grille. Making our way back down the side, crew cab, truck, rear tinted privacy windows, fender flares, as well as ZR2 badging. At the back of the Colorado, we do have a trailer tow pack, as well as backup camera and locking tailgate. You do have bumper cuts as well for the better departure angles of the Colorado ZR2. Jumping into the interior here, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready, as well as their under seat storage. You do have the sliding rear window with defrost, solid roof in all the Colorados with dome lighting there, USB ports and a 12-volt there, and tons of room in the back of the Colorado crew cab. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 Colorado ZR2. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.